Hey guys, welcome to my second cooking vlog. Let's see what I cook in a day. So it's 5:30 in the morning and I'm here in my kitchen. So I'll be deciding on the menu for the day, along with prepping lunch boxes for my school kid as well as my kinder kid. This just gives me a clear idea of what I have to do throughout the day. So it's around 6 a.m. and I'll be starting by preparing a pizza wrap for my son's lunchbox. So I have taken a wrap, spreaded some pizza sauce in half, added some pepperonis, grated cheese, and then I'll fold this in half and then fry it from both sides. I also added some apples and carrots to his lunchbox, but I forgot to record it. So here I'll finally start with the breakfast, which was very simple today. It was just tea and some fried eggs with bread. Here it was almost 11 and I had to start prepping for the lunch as well as for my daughter's lunchbox. The menu for the lunch was chicken steaks and sweet potato wedges, along with popcorn chicken for the lunchbox. I will use the remaining chicken for making chicken steaks for the dinner as well. So here I'm marinating the steak with ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper, red chili flakes, some hot sauce and olive oil. I'll mix it up and then let it rest for some time. Now I'm marinating chicken for dinner with some ginger garlic paste, chili sauce, salt and pepper, olive oil, and that's it. Now for the popcorn chicken, it's just ginger garlic paste, chili sauce, salt and pepper, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of self-raising flour. I'll mix it up and then we'll fry this. Now along with this, I'll be giving some oranges and carrots in the lunchbox as well. Now for the wedges, I'll peel them and then cut them into wedges and then soak them for about 20 minutes. Now after soaking them, I'll make sure that they are dry and then add olive oil, salt and pepper, some chili flakes. Then I'll mix it up and then I will air fry them. You can also bake them in the oven. In the air fryer it took me around 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll prepare my steaks by heating the pan with a little bit of olive oil. I'll cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes each side. and the lunch is served. So it's 4 p.m. and I've started to prep for the dinner. I'm making dal, some rice and chicken sticks for that. So I've washed and soaked the lentils and now I'll let it come to a boil. In the meanwhile, I'll chop onion and tomatoes and then we'll add it to my dal. To this I've added ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, some coriander powder, and then I'll cover it and let it cook for some time. In the meanwhile, I'll prepare some plain rice. At this point, I've added some salt to my dal. Now I'll put the chicken on skewers and then coat it with breadcrumbs, and then while frying them, I'll dip them in egg. In the end, I've added some tamarind paste to my dal and give it a final mix. And now I'll prepare tadka for it. To about half a cup of oil, I've added chopped garlic, dried red chilies, some curry leaves, and some cumin seeds. Fry this for some time and then add it to it. Now I've dipped the chicken sticks in egg and fried them. Now it's time to serve the dinner. Here's the final look. I hope you like it. See you next time. Good night.